The Settings menu has some very easy-to-use tools to help you manage your streaming TV experience without having to contact customer support. From the Program Guide, press the back button on your remote to open the top navigation menu. Press the left or right arrows of your remote until you highlight Settings. Then press OK on your remote to open the Settings menu. The two features we will focus on are Favorites and Manage Account, where you can add a new device to your service. Favorites is a really cool feature if you want to watch certain channels and want to reduce the number of channels to scroll through from your program guide. Use the up or down arrows on your remote to highlight Manage Favorite Channels and press OK on your remote to display all of the channels available with your streaming TV service. Now, using the up or down arrow on your remote, you can scroll through the channels list. And when you come across a channel that you like to watch, just press the OK button on your remote, marking it as a favorite. Continue adding your channels, and when you're finished, press the left arrow of your remote, and then you can press the up arrow on your remote to highlight Show Only Favorite Channels in your guide, and then press the OK button on your remote. Should you decide later that you want all of your channels to display again, you can highlight the Show Only Favorite Channels and press the OK button of your remote to turn off this feature. The other important tool in the Settings menu is Manage Account. When you highlight Manage Account and press OK on your remote, you will be able to see how much recording time you have left by looking at free disk space. And you will also see a list of devices that are currently authorized to access your streaming TV service. Now let's say that you just purchased a new TV for the family room and need to get a new device connected for the big game. After the device is connected to the TV, follow the instructions we originally gave you for adding your streaming TV app to Roku devices. Once the installation is complete, when you open the streaming TV app for the first time, you will be asked for a login, and then on a second screen, you will be asked for a passphrase. To generate these two numbers from an existing and currently activated device in your home, scroll down through your device list until you highlight the Add Device button. Click the OK button on your remote, and a new device login information screen will display that will provide your login and passphrase that you can use. Once you enter your 6-digit login, highlight and press OK on your remote, and then you will be asked for your 8-digit passphrase. Follow the same procedure, and then your new device will be activated for your streaming TV service just in time for the big game.